But we're here checking out the EK25CLP unit, which designates that it's a cushion smooth tire, 5,000 pound LPG unit. The nice thing about this unit, it has a swing out LPG tank, so it's easier to access when you're changing fuel. And want to look at the compartment, it has a PSI engine in it, and all the parts are accessible, very easily accessible, and to diagnose in case you have a problem or an issue, you can get to them relatively quickly, which you shouldn't, because it's a very durable product. On the overhead guard, we have rear tail lights and brake lights, rear pedestrian lights, a strobe light, and a backup alarm, all standard on this truck. I'm going to put the hood down on this. Very easy to do. Just got to make sure you unlock it. Push it down. Make sure it locks in place. Don't forget to swing in the LPG tank. And then here we go. We have a display over here which shows all the functions of the truck, and it does through a safety check while you're operating the truck. If there's an error or a code, it'll come up on the display. We also have a fourth function hydraulic control valve here that's plumbed through the upright and the carriage. You see your quick disconnects. That's all standard on this truck, no additional charge. Going to start it up now. Here we go. This unit, very efficient, has a inching pedal on it, so you can inch forward or backwards. Or as you're lifting the load, you want to rev up the engine, it momentarily disengages the transmission, so you're good. Very efficient, very high quality, very durable forklift that we have in stock. Please contact EKKO Material Handling, and we will assist you in locating a dealer in your area. Thank you for checking out the EKCLP forklift, 5,000 pound. Take care.